to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you how to create a set of cards using the Cute Food Clear stamp set and the coordinating Cute Food die set. This is a really fun set, and to make a batch of cards for a gift, so I make 6 cards with the different images, and I'm going to make a few more just to show you all the possibilities. So it's a fast and easy way to give somebody a gift. And of course send out a card if you want to. So there's 6 images: the taco, want a taco about it, the olive you, orange you glad with friends, it's all Gouda, a toast, and don't not worry, be happy. So that's the stamp set, and this is the coordinating die set. So every piece, also the words, the phrases, they all have a coordinating die as well. And this is the stamp set. So it's a clear stamp set, very good quality, made in the USA. So that's the set. I'm going to put it aside. And then these are the cards I created so far. And I used our white soft finish cardstock, the 270 grams. And it has a really nice structure to it. And if you want to color with the Copic markers on the soft finish cardstock, you can do that on the smooth side and it holds it really well. And before I forget, I have to tell you, like, the colored images are done by 3 different people. Kelly Booth, the designer Krista Snyder, and Anita Isendorn. So they color things for me and I can just play with it, which is fun. So this one is the Don't Not Worry, Be Happy. So I just stamped some on the soft finish cardstock using the stamp platform, and then I added the colored one. This one is the orange You Glad We're Friends. So I just masked off that little slice and made a row of the oranges. Here I have all of you. I have the entwined hearts in there, and that entwined heart set comes with different ones. It's like, it has a large one in there as well. So I just put it on the background here. And then it's all Gouda, so stamped. And you see they hold hands as well, because they all have hands, so you can put different ones together as well. So you can make food friends as well. And it's a toast. And then here I have Want a Taco About It. So those are the cards I created, and I'm going to make a few more just to give you some ideas, because it's endless. There's so many possibilities. So this is my soft finish cardstock that I'm going to put away. So the 270 grams, I use it for the base of the card and also when I color with the Copic markers or any alcohol-based marker. So I have already, so I made a batch of white cards already. And I'm just going to play, see what we were talking about it like when we were setting up. So I think because I had a fun idea with the toast. So this is a rectangle, and that's the Moda Scrap, the dashing rectangle. One of my favorite dies for sure. So I'm just going to put that, just the base, and we have dashing rectangles, squares and circles. So this gives it a little bit of texture on there. Take off the liner from our double-sided adhesive. Oh, and now I kind of want to center it a bit, I think. And of course you can use a ruler if you want to center it precise. You see, so now you have the little border there. And then we're going to do some 3D tape for the toast. And I die cut those all, you see, so they die cut really fun. You see, so I have 2 different toasts. So the donut I have in 2 different colors here. So again, these are all colored by either Kelly, Anita, or Krista, the designer of the dies, or the stamps and the dies. So put some foam tape on there. And I think Anita colored these ones, and if I look at the shading, you see, and now they can hold hands, which is fun. Look at that, they're super cute. And then I have a toast here. So just a small piece of the foam. So all the words have the die cuts as well. So you can either stamp the words on the card itself. That's what I did here, you see. So I just put it straight on the card, and here I'm just going to raise it a bit. And the idea that we had, where I'm going to put it, you see, so now I have a toast, and then when you open it you can write on here, to you, or on your graduation, or so you can write all kind of things inside of the card. So I thought that was a fun one to do. And you can see it's just easy and fun. So you color your images, you die cut them, and then you just start playing. And I had so much fun creating these cards. Okay, so what is the next one? I think we should do something with the donuts. So if I'm going to do something with the donuts, I don't have anything cut out with that. So I'm going to bring in my, I have that small platform here. They call it a traveling platform, but so I'm going to put this here. And then I like to either pick an extra magnet, or I put some tape, some non-stick tape there. And then I'm going to take my stamp, Do Not Worry, Be Happy. And I can either put it on the side, I think I'm going to put it here, and then put the donuts next to it. I think I'm good here. And of course I need to check if it's straight. I think I'm good. And then I have the archival ink here. And I like the platform, especially when I use our soft finish cardstock, because it has that structure on it. And because it's not smooth, sometimes I need to do it 2 or 3 times, which is perfect, of course, when you use a platform. Here we are, I think we're good. Yeah. And of course, remove the stamp before you close it again. And I'm still in the phase that I want to clean my stamps, but so many people say, Els, you don't need to clean them, they're fine. So I'm just going to put those back on in the set. Here, that I don't lose it. And I travel a lot, so for me the small one is really easy to take with me. But any platform you have will work. And then here I have the 2 donuts. And what I like to do, because the donut actually has a face, you see, so it has a mouth and the 2 eyes. But then the sprinkles on there, if I have a white gel pen, it's kind of fun to give it a little bit of an extra accent, depending on the color you use. You can make it colored sprinkles, of course. If you have a gel pen like Sakura has a Moonlight, it comes in all different colors. Then you can make colored sprinkles, you see, so just add some white gel pen to the sprinkles, and then it has that cute little face. And I love Krista, such a great designer. She's a really an artist. So take some foam tape again. And you can see again, so if I put that here, and then this one, the chocolate one, here you see, they can hold hands, look at that. That's easy to fall in love with those stamps, isn't it? Look at that, fun to do. Okay, let's do one more, because I have some more pieces cut out. And I thought, you know, if we do, we can actually put a few together. Oh, you know what might be fun? Oh yeah, okay. Put the olive hue in between those 2. That's cute. Let's. I can use foam tape. I can just use our double-sided adhesive. So I'm using the 6mm because it only needs a little bit, and of course it tears really easy. So you can imagine, if you have the stamps yourself, you just color, like one night you sit at the TV and you color a little bit, and then the next day you put cards together. You die cut and you put cards together. And then you have your batch of cards. And of course, like a nice twine around it, if you have like 6 cards, put a little bit of twine. You know what I will do? I will put this in the center first. Again, doesn't need to be precise, as long as it's straight. There we go. Take off the release sheet. My nails are so short, it's hard to do. So I let them hold the word here. And then this one. Take out the release sheet, and then this one goes here, you see, and then you have another cute card. Let me show you the other ones we had. So this one, then we have the Do Not Worry, Be Happy, we have the toast with the dashing rectangles, another toast one, and then It's All Good, the olive hue, the orange You Glad We're Friends, Do not worry, be happy, and want to tackle about it. How fun is that? Hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you for watching. And I've also suggested a couple of videos I think you'll enjoy. And don't forget to download the free project sheet and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.